Hey everyone, welcome back. You can't talk about starting a career in tax or anything else for that matter in 2026 without talking about AI, so let's address it head on. AI is already in tax preparation. Intuit's AI assistant automates data entry for the majority of commonly used tax forms. Most professional software platforms now have some level of AI-powered data extraction, error checking, or return review. Thomson Reuters found that 86% of tax professionals using generative AI have integrated it into their weekly workflow. So if AI can do the data entry, why would anyone hire a human preparer? Well, because data entry was never the valuable part of the job. The valuable part is judgment. Knowing that a client's situation calls for an S-Corp election. Spotting that a client has unreported income that's going to trigger a notice. Recognizing that a set of deductions looks aggressive enough to invite an audit. Understanding when a client's problem has crossed from preparation into legal territory. AI can't do any of that reliably, and the data backs it up. Stanford researchers recently found that general AI tools fabricate legal information 58% of the time. So here's how to think about AI as a new preparer. It's a tool that handles the mechanical parts of the job faster and more accurately than manual entry. That's a good thing. It means you spend less time typing numbers and more time reviewing, advising, and serving your clients. The practitioners who will struggle are the ones who never learn anything beyond data entry. The ones who will thrive are the ones who understand the tax law, understand their clients, and use AI to handle the routine work while they focus on the high-value work. That's exactly how I'm training MuseSpring students. We have a full AI tools module that teaches you how to use these tools, when to trust the output, and when to override it. Because the last thing you want is to accept an AI-generated answer that's wrong and put your client's return at risk. Check out MuseSpring.com. And as a quick reminder, everything on this channel is educational and provided through MuseSpring for informational purposes only. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.